So I love this campus. I've loved this campus experience I've had here. It's so nice. I feel like it's so diverse, but it's also kind of like living in a small town. You know one person, and then that person knows everybody else. So you know everybody by connections.
Like class sizes are relatively small, and Kyla's very hands-on, and it's like good to learn with.
It's really well balanced.
Mm-hmm.
One of my favorite classes here is FDM 100 with Professor Carrillo. I think the thing that I like about this class is she has so much experience in the industry, so she's just sharing with us all the information she has.
We took a really intensive course on learning how to build a corset as well as a bodice for a bustier dress. It was very thorough. We learned how to sew it and begin draping it, as well as sort of coming up with the finished product.
The great thing about Santa Ana College being in Orange County is we get the opportunity to visit other fashion companies that are local. We got to visit the Volcom headquarters, and we got to see how the company works and how the fashion industry is there.
The technology here, I feel like, is really great. Especially, I feel like you might not expect this much up-to-date technology from a community college, but I really like having the professional Juki machines. They make sewing go so much easier. And then the direct garment printer, I think, is super fun to use.
We are using Instagram, we're printing out flyers, we're making hang tags, we're making stickers, lots of things to promote the new collections that the buying class is picking out.
One of the neatest things about Santa Ana College is that there's an internship requirement, and I'm getting to do it with O'Neill, and that's because of Miss Kyla Benson. So through Santa Ana College is the only way I'd be able to get here to O'Neill.
I'd like to see our program continue to grow to give students access to researching their ideas, creating their ideas, and actually producing their ideas and following it through and seeing how it sells. And I just look forward to seeing how students use those machines and what they produce, and then just tracking to see if it sells locally here in our bookstore, and giving students that experience.